All right, so I did get this, and it fits in here, so you can replace your old battery with this one here. We'll get her out of its package. I think it comes with a couple of filters too. We'll see. Oh yeah. All right, so anyway, here's what's in the bag. You ready? Get those filters. Check this out. You get the back filter. Really important. So you get 3 of those. And here's the battery. Let me get it out of here. That's it right there. Bam. So you can hook this right into your Dyson. And we're going to show you how. So this, and then we can charge it up, of course. I'm going to set it down here. This thing was, covers it so that it doesn't get screwed up. I'm going to show you the other thing. So you do get 3 of these, and you get this back filter. So if you look here, you're going to see there's that filter there, and then there's this filter here. So that's what those go to, okay? So let me set that down. Let me pull this out so you can see it. So yeah, this is what's nice about this, because some of them don't come with that. So bam, look at that. Nicely played, I must say. It does come with some instructions. Set that down. Oh, and extra screws. You may need them, but you already have them. All right, and they give you this. Oh, here's more screws and a screwdriver, which is nice. And this, which I don't know what this is. We'll have to see. Huh, what do you think that is? I have no idea. We'll figure it out though. All right, so anyway, now all we gotta do is take this one off of here, right? And there's a screw right there. And then we've got a couple screws that are in here that we gotta get. All right, so to get all this off, the front off of it, first of all, I could just get rid of that. What you have to do is you're going to pull this up, but make sure that you've already cleaned the dirt out. If you follow me like that. And then if you look inside here, you're going to see there's little buttons here. And if you press those buttons, this door has to be open to do this. You press those buttons, and this will come out. It just slides out. You see that? And then to get this off, you got to come down to the bottom, push that in, and then that comes off. Really easy, right? Very simple. All right, so now we can get to these screws. So we'll just undo them. Lefty-loosey, just like that. Got that one off. Get this one off. Okay, that one's off. And then we got to get this front one off. I'm just going to the left. Almost. There we go. Okay, that's 3 screws. And then this should come right out of there with no problem, I'm hoping. There it is, out. So it goes in like that, comes out, bam, done. So that's the old one, right? Now we just got to get the new one. So here's our new one. Slide it in, bam. And then all we got to do is put our screws back in, right? So these are going to go into the back here. 1, 2. So let's go ahead and get those in. Pretty tidy, right? Giving me a problem there, isn't it? Okay, I think we're in. Now we got to put our screw up here. Right there. Get her in there. And then righty-tighty. Okay. Then take this off because we want to put our new one on, right? Bam, got our new one on, right? Now we got to put this back on. So this is going to slide. See how it's got these 2 things? It's got to go inside of there, right there. So that's going to slide in there because it's got to have electrical connection, right? And you got to kind of slide it into this first, and then you push it up. And that's it. And then this just slides down that chamber. So I've got to get that part there down this chamber right here. So let's see if you guys can see it. All right, there it is. So this is going to slide right in there, just like that, and bam, we're in. Now we can go ahead and get one of our new filters. All right, here's our old filter, new filter. Bam. And it's already got a charge. It's fully charged, ready to go, and that's strong.